So hands down, this is the best campground we have ever visited. We're gonna tell you why right now.
We are traveling around the east coast of the United States,
Finding the best places to visit or vacation with your RV.
We are weekend warriors, and this is RV East Coast.
So we are at a really good campground. What's the name, guys?
Massey's Landing.
We are gonna tell you everything about it. We really love it here. Let me give you a couple housekeeping details. We are paying full rate to be here. So this is unbiased, as I said, review. What we experience is what you get. And number two, make sure you stay till the end of this video because we're gonna tell you how to get access to another video that we're gonna post where we talk more in depth about some details. All right.
All right, so we mentioned before that we are at Massey's Landing in Long Neck, Delaware. So what is your favorite thing about this place?
I think what I like the most is that this is a true resort. It's a real vacation destination. There is a little misconception in the RV campground industry that if you have a pool, you can call your campground a resort when it is not a resort. But here it's like if you were staying, it reminds me of being in my country, in the Dominican Republic, at those beautiful resorts by the beach. You know, they have everything you need. The pool here is beautiful. They have the beach, waterfront, lots and lots of activities. So yeah, this is a perfect place for vacationing. This is not camping, my friend. This is glamping at its best. So, what did you like the most?
I really loved the pool. It was nice and warm, so it wasn't super cold. The kids had a blast there. We played there a lot. I also really liked the little beach because we did hit up Rehoboth Beach while we were here, but it was incredibly crowded. It was kind of nerve-wracking with the kids because you felt like if you didn't have your eyes glued to them, you were going to lose them. So the little beach was really nice for them to just kind of hang out and play and us to kind of relax. And also, I really love that this campground is very pet friendly.
Yeah,
you could take
absolutely.
your dog everywhere to the beach as long as they were on a leash. And they even had a little dog park or pet park area where they could run around loose. We didn't end up going there, but it was really nice that this campground is so pet friendly. So Jessica Nichols, the general manager, gave us an interview, and she will tell us more about the park.
Yep. So you don't have to hear just the two of us rambling about what we like and don't like. So this is Jessica. So here we are with Jessica. Jessica is the general manager here at Massey's Landing, and she's gonna give us a little tour. So really excited about it.
Hi guys. My name is Jessica Nichols, and I'm the general manager here at the resort at Massey's Landing, Delaware's premier waterfront campground. So what separates us from the rest of the campgrounds in our area is that we are a true resort. When you come on property, we like to think that you do not have to leave. It's your choice if you'd like to or not. We have anything from our pool to full dining restaurants. We actually have 3 different opportunities on property. We pretty much have a little bit of everything for everybody to do here. If you just want to come and relax and really not engage with a lot, you don't have to. You can come on your own. Or if you're looking for family fun and you want to meet other families, we really do create that atmosphere. When it comes to our pool, we have 2 designated areas. We have an area that's wonderful for kids and families to play your favorite game of Marco Polo. And then we also have our pool bar area that's just for 21 and over. Our pool is kept at 85 degrees year round, and it's open our entire season. In addition to our pool, we also have inflatable slides, water slides, obstacle courses that go in the lagoon. We offer rentals out at the beach as well, chairs, kayak rentals, paddleboard, umbrellas, boogie boards, all of the above. So if you forgot it, we've already thought of it. We also have a private beach that sits on the Indian River Bay. So we have the best kept secret here as well. We offer a tiki bar that's located right out on our beach. It truly does have the best sunset. We have a restaurant there. The doors come up and you get to see the best sunset, but we also have outside dining that you can keep your toes in the sand. We offer entertainment on the weekends there, so you can truly enjoy everything that our resort has to offer. The shuttle service that we have to offer takes you to all the local attractions. It takes you to Paradise Grill, a wonderful restaurant that has concerts and such. Then it also takes you to the outlets. It takes you down to the Rehoboth Beach and the boardwalk. Then we bring you back. We can swing past the movie theater, especially on a rainy day. And then it brings you all the way back to Massey's. If you have a boat, no problem, bring it with you. We have boat slip rentals available. We also can store your boat trailer as well. And we also offer a valet service. Not many people know this. So we have storage. So if you're staying with us one weekend and you're coming back 2 weekends from there, go ahead and let us take care of your RV. You pack it up, lock it up, we'll valet it to our storage, hold it for you, and bring it back to your site when you return for the next time. So because our property is so large, you can imagine how much of a footprint that we have here. So we also offer golf cart rentals. It's a great amenity that we do offer, and they are highly sought out. So we like to think that once you come here and park, you do not have to move again. We'll take care of the rest. We've thought about just about everything, and that's what I like to say separates us from everybody else.
The place is really well kept. It's beautiful. There are flowers everywhere. You won't see too much grass around here. And they do try to keep the grass looking at its best, but because of the nature of this terrain here, we are at a beach and it's a little hard to grow grass in this area, but they keep the park really beautiful. So this is a beautiful place.
It was a great family trip. It ended up being an amazing family trip. Our kids loved it. And I'm also looking forward to maybe coming back with some of our couple friends and leaving the kids at home, because I feel like it offers a lot for both adults and families.
I think so too.
So
that's gonna do it for today. We're trying to keep this video short. So we're gonna make another video. It's not gonna be available in this YouTube channel, but it's gonna be in our blog where we talk about some really good, what should we call it, insider tips?
Yeah, I guess.
In that video, we're gonna talk about the best sites, the numbers, you know, all the good information that you wanna know if you're planning to come visit.
But please do subscribe, because we are trying to make the best database of spots in the East Coast, and we'd love to have you join us.
Yeah, if you wanna see more campground reviews just like this one, come back. And yeah, that's gonna do it for today. My name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
And this is RV East Coast.